Fliki AI review. Is it good in 2025? I'm going to tell you whether Fliki AI is worth using in 2025. Fliki AI is a text to speech video platform that turns scripts, blog posts, or captions into full videos with voiceovers, visuals, and music. It's designed for marketers, educators, and creators who want to make content fast without editing skills. You paste your text, and Fliki automatically generates scenes, selects stock footages, adds subtitles, and narrates the video using AI voices. The pros: it's beginner friendly, supports over 75 languages, and offers lifelike voiceovers. Some users even highlight its supports for languages like Arabic. It's fast, great for social media, explainers, or repurposing blog content. It also includes voice cloning, which adds a personal touch. But it's not perfect. Some users say the AI avatar feel unnatural, and the credit system can be confusing. If you're not careful, you might burn through your balance quickly. Also, advanced editing is limited, and there's no mobile app yet. Bottom line, if you need quick, decent looking videos without much effort, Fliki is a solid pick. Just be aware of its limitations if you're aiming for high end production.